2023 is just around the corner, and with it comes an exciting array of technological advancements that are set to revolutionize the way we live, work, and play. From AI-powered systems to 5G networks, here are the top 18 technology trends to watch out for in 2023. In previous video means in part 1, we have talked about 10 out of 18 top most trending technologies. The top 10 technology trends that we watched out for in 2023 are 1. Artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning. 2. Datification. 3. Smarter devices. 4. Computing power. 5. Extended reality. 6. Digital trust. 7. 3D printing. 8. Genomics. 9. New energy solutions. 10. Robotic process automations. These technologies are predicted to revolutionize the way we live, work, and play, and create new opportunities for innovation and growth. The advancements in these technologies are expected to impact various industries, such as healthcare, data, and IT, and create a higher demand for professionals with specialized skills in these fields. Now let's talk about further 8 top most technologies in 2023. 1. Edge computing. Formerly a new technology trend to watch, cloud computing has become mainstream, with major players AWS, Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure and Google Cloud Platform dominating the market. The adoption of cloud computing is still growing, as more and more businesses migrate to a cloud solution. But it's no longer the emerging technology trend. Edge is. As the quantity of data organizations is dealing with continues to increase, they have realized the shortcomings of cloud computing in some situations. Edge computing is designed to help solve some of those problems as a way to bypass the latency caused by cloud computing and getting data to a data center for processing. It can exist on the edge, if you will, closer to where computing needs to happen. For this reason, edge computing can be used to process time-sensitive data in remote locations with limited or no connectivity to a centralized location. In those situations, edge computing can act like mini data centers. 2. Quantum computing. Next remarkable technology trend is quantum computing, which is a form of computing that takes advantage of quantum phenomena like superposition and quantum entanglement. This amazing technology trend is also involved in preventing the spread of the coronavirus, and to develop potential vaccines, thanks to its ability to easily query, monitor, analyze and act on data, regardless of the source. Another field where quantum computing is finding applications is banking and finance, to manage credit risk, for high-frequency trading and fraud detection. 3. Virtual reality and augmented reality. The next exceptional technology trend, virtual reality, VR, and augmented reality, AR, and extended reality, ER. VR immerses the user in an environment while AR enhances their environment. Although this technology trend has primarily been used for gaming thus far, it has also been used for training, as with Virtual Ship, a simulation software used to train U.S. Navy, Army and Coast Guard ship captains. 4. Blockchain. Although most people think of blockchain technology in relation to cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, blockchain offers security that is useful in many other ways. In the simplest of terms, blockchain can be described as data you can only add to, not take away from, or change. Hence the term chain, because you're making a chain of data. Not being able to change the previous blocks is what makes it so secure. In addition, blockchains are consensus-driven, so no one entity can take control of the data. With blockchain, you don't need a trusted third party to oversee or validate transactions. 5. Internet of Things, IoT. Another promising new technology trend is IoT. Many things are now being built with Wi-Fi connectivity, meaning they can be connected to the internet, and to each other. Hence, the Internet of Things, or IoT. The Internet of Things is the future, and has already enabled devices, home appliances, cars and much more to be connected to and exchange data over the Internet. As consumers, we're already using and benefiting from IoT. We can lock our doors remotely if we forget to when we leave for work and preheat our ovens on our way home from work, all while tracking our fitness on our Fitbits. However, businesses also have much to gain now and in the near future. The IoT can enable better safety, efficiency and decision-making for businesses as data is collected and analyzed. It can enable predictive maintenance, speed up medical care, improve customer service, and offer benefits we haven't even imagined yet. 6. 5G. The next technology trend that follows the IoT is 5G, where 3G and 4G technologies have enabled us to browse the Internet, use data-driven services, increased bandwidths for streaming on Spotify or YouTube and so much more. 5G services are expected to revolutionize our lives. By enabling services that rely on advanced technologies like AR and VR, alongside cloud-based gaming services like Google Stadia, NVIDIA GeForce Now and much more. It is expected to be used in factories, HD cameras that help improve safety and traffic management, smart grid control and smart retail too. 7. Cybersecurity. Cybersecurity might not seem like an emerging technology, given that it has been around for a while, but it is evolving just as other technologies are. That's in part because threats are constantly new. The malevolent hackers who are trying to illegally access data are not going to give up any time soon, and they will continue to find ways to get through even the toughest security measures. It's also in part because new technology is being adapted to enhance security. As long as we have hackers, cybersecurity will remain a trending technology because it will constantly evolve to defend against those hackers.